Hi, today I'm Sally and welcome back to Fondant Diary. This time I'm going to show you how I make a sleeping newborn baby girl fondant topper. Let's get started. First, I will make the body with skin color fondant by mixing yellow egg yolk, pink, and brown gel or oil-based food coloring. Then with the pink fondant, I'll make the baby panties. I use water to stick the fondant. Then I'll make the curves and lines of the baby's body. And next, I'll make the baby's legs. For the fingers, cut for the thumb first, then divide the remainder in half, then divide again into 4 fingers. And next, I will make the baby's head. For the eyelids, I use a silicone brush with a small and flexible tip, but you can use any other tool with a small tip. I like the silicone brush because the strokes are smoother. Next, I will make the baby pillow with very light blue fondant. And then the baby's hands. For the fingers, cut out a little fondant for the thumb, then divide the remainder in half and divide in half again into 4 fingers. And next, I will make the baby skirt. And I thin the fondant with this tool. And then bend the fondant like this. Then fix the folds. And do it again for the second layer. Bend the fondant, fix the folds, press it, and cut. And next, I will make the baby's hair. Then I will make a pink baby headband with a pink ribbon. Then I will make the pink ribbon for the headband. Then I will make the eyelashes with black food coloring, and with luster dust I will color the pillow and ribbon. So here it is, a newborn baby girl fondant topper. Do you like it? Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. And for the next video, I will make the baby boy version. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!